Hello, welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. What happened? I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I'm enjoying making them. It's a challenge for me. It's challenging because it's making me look for things to do every single day that are not the same thing. And you know, it's like I pretty much do the same thing, but I don't. So it's also challenging. Yes. There is no quiet space in this house. Hubs was on cooking duty today, and I'm going to show you guys what he made. He made the quinoa bowl from the Game Changers. I just went to the website and got all the recipes from there. So this is the quinoa bowl. I'll show you what it has. This is what I'm going to be having for dinner and possibly unpacking for lunch for tomorrow. Yeah, so let me show you what it is. Here you guys can see there's some quinoa, some broccoli, some black beans, and here's the recipe. I'm going to look at the recipes and see if there's anything else that I can meal prep right now. Luna's eating the beans. What are you eating? What are you eating? Frijolitos? The beans? You like the beans, Mama? Hey. Alright, so I'm looking through. Careful, Mamas. So I'm debating between burritos or pasta. I might do the pasta just because we're kind of doing Mexican, I guess, with the quinoa bowl. I'm going to try to get as much started right now as I can. Luna's doing pretty well over here. This is what cooking with a toddler looks like. I said I'd show you guys what it's like to get ready with a toddler, but it's pretty much the same. She just grabs everything. Yes. So while she's doing okay, I'm going to get started on some of this pasta stuff. So in a large saute pan or skillet over medium-high heat, add the onion, carrot, mushrooms, and eggplant. Saute for a few minutes. Okay, so I've got the eggplant cut up, got the mushrooms cut up, and I'm going to have the onion, and all I need to cut are the carrots. Looks like I pulled everything out. Mom, Luna's having her vitamins, her omega-3s. Yummy. Rico? Okay, so I've pulled out the ingredients all right here. All I have to do is chop up the onions. I'm going to heat up some olive oil right now. I'm going to saute the veggies and Mom life. Okay, let me get to it before she breaks the entire kitchen. Heated up the skillet. I'm going to add some onion, carrot, mushrooms, and eggplant. All right, onion. I'm really just going to eyeball it. By the way, this is Luna down here. This is me. This is me right here. And this is Luna. I have to like work around her. This is real life cooking, okay guys? Real life mom cooking. Turned the TV on for Luna for right now. So so that I can finish up, I'm going to stab this spaghetti squash and put it in the microwave for 10 minutes, and that's what I'm going to be serving that pasta over. I've put a pause on the cooking because Luna wants to play. She's over there. Ooh. She's playing. She's got her hair all done. Her. Verde. Naranja. Morado. Verde. ¿Qué más? ¿Sí? ¡Ay! ¿Qué más? ¡Pescado! I hope you guys are enjoying story time with Luna. She's having a really good time reading. Hop on pop. Pop cup. Cup on pop. No, Pat, no! Don't sit on that. Sad, dad, bad. Okay, the night has pretty much come to an end. Luna's in bed, and I am going to tackle this spaghetti squash that I put in the microwave for another 5 minutes, so 15 minutes total. And I'm going to cut it in half and then scrape off all the little strings to use as spaghetti. This is what the, I guess the meat sauce looks like. Spaghetti squash in substitution for any other spiralized veggie or a flour or wheat flour pasta. So this is how much pasta I got, which is plenty because of that meat filling, all those veggies. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's Vlogmas. It's been a cook with me, a Luna reading time. I'm feeling better than I was yesterday. I'm still sneezing a bit, but not like I was. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and have a good one. Bye. By the way, guys, I am about to enjoy the quinoa bowl right now. I added some avocado and some fresh salsa. So I'll let you guys know tomorrow what this tastes like.